Okay, let's get things started. I invite some friends over. Ruby Red's left the house. Ding dong. Oh, I know who that is. Hi! Ah! Ow! Ow. I'm Jackie! I'm a side character. You okay? Oh, dang it, Jackie! I invited all of our friends. I only invited a few! Well, I invited the rest! Oh god, Ruby Red's gonna be so mad. Who cares? Party at your place! Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong! Oh god. Ow. Ah! Hey everyone. I'm Charlie, I'm Gold, and I'm Hollow. The Halloween cat, I'm custom-mated. As well as Sapphire, Jackie, Hollow, and a few others. Oh, hey! Through Sapphire's vision. Back to normal vision. Hi! Here for the party! Okay, Charlie. Where's the rest of them? They'll be here shortly. Yeah, every time they arrive, I'll do this. Deal with it. Well, party! I like to party hardy. And we're all here! I'm Wonders. The name's Orange. Well, Silverback, actually. I'm Juniper. Stripe. Everyone's here. Well, let's dance. Hang on. She needs to find something important in order for the music to work. Hang on. There. I'm gonna put something else. Okay, guys, I got what I need. Needs to load. You see, I got another computer. So, please enjoy these messages while we figure out. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. How long are these messages gonna go on? As soon as we're finished, Sapphire. But she needs to get everything right, so everyone in front of the TV. Why do we have to go in front of the TV? Just go until she's ready! Are we gonna be watching a movie? Yeah, and I got a real scary one picked out. What are we watching? Juniper, she already told us on the way there. Yeah, we're watching Rainbow Factory. Dude! Get out! Oh. No, not right now. I have to. Not right now, Nick. Wait. Well, wait. Okay, who's turning on the TV? I'll do it. Beep. No, this. Hey, stop! No, I need that! No, I need it now! God dang it, Nick, you suck! Hang on. I'll pull up another YouTube page, thanks to Nick! cares about stupid Craigslist or a stupid car? Okay, so hang on. Okay. Everyone ready? Yeah. Okay, oh god, no. Okay, it's on. I can already tell it's scary. Starts off with a star. Shh. You're not Pegasus, dang it! Oh yeah. But you are, of course. Ah! Look at my deer! Sapphire! Hush! Dang it! I'm trying to watch. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Don't watch me. Okay, I'm done. This is plain scary. You chose it. Wow. She's going on that conveyor belt now. She's gonna die. Will you shut up? The movie's over. Stop shaking. Oh, God. Well, okay, all of you leave before Ruby Red gets home. What in the world is going on here? Oh, Ruby Red. All of you, out. Everyone, let's go. Sorry, suggestions in the rainbows out the window. Ah! Okay. So yeah, out. Sapphire. I'm sorry. Sapphire, I always have to be the bad guy. But open your room, and I don't want to see your friends in this house again. Go! That's the end of episode 2. Bye! Hang on. mind, she has to click the recording button, stop recording button.